Hey, paper crafting friends. I am here tonight to do the drawing for the March 2021 Kiwi Club Collaboration video winner. Thank you guys for popping on and watching the videos that I put out. Sandy participated this month and so did Stacy. So if you watched any of those videos and made comments on them, you are entered into this drawing for a template giveaway. So Sandy is the one providing the prize this month. So whoever is chosen will get you in touch with Sandy so you can claim your prize. So I went ahead and grabbed my video address first. And let's see what we got. The internet is a little pokey at my house tonight. So hang in there. Oh my goodness. This might be pokey beyond being able to do it. Alrighty, so we had 33 comments on my video. Let's pick our random winner. All right, so Joe Picker, thank you for that sweet comment. It's so gorgeous. Let's get your name in the wheel of names, Joe. And remember, each video, I get one name from each one of the videos, and that's how we figure it out. So we get it down to the few people, and then we spin that wheel. So I'm going to grab Sandy's video address, and we will get that one in here. All righty. And Sandy had 22 comments on her video. Let's see which one is chosen from this channel. Carrie Allen commented, cute. All right, Carrie, let's get you on here. And then we're going to go back to that video description. We'll get the address for Stacy's video. And we'll see who the lucky commenter is here. Alrighty, Stacy had 18 comments on her video this month. And Peggy Calloway says, beautiful pages, thanks for the tips. So that was a sweet comment, Peggy. So let's get her on here. And we're gonna go ahead and spin. So we just had the 3 collaborators this month. I hope that you guys are enjoying watching these. Oh, and there we go. Looks like Joe Picker is our winner. So congratulations, Joe. I'll pop a little comment on so you know it's you. And we look forward to providing that prize for you. Thanks again, Sandy, for doing that this month. And we hope to see you guys back for our videos in April. Bye-bye.